So what you can also do is you can apply simple linear iterative clustering to smoothen out the contents inside of GIMP. So to do that, you need to go around onto filters, and then you need to go around over here onto artistic right here. And you can see that simple linear iterative clustering is an option where you can go around and change around the region size right here. And you can see that everything else is smooth as if it was a poster right here. You can change around the region size, and you can change around the compactness around over here as well to change around the level of detail, as you can see right here, or you can make it much more smoother, as you can see right here. So that's it, and you can go around, change around the opacity to see the level of detail of the layer beneath it right here, and see the before and after by utilizing the preview, as you can see right here, and see the split view as well. You can also go around and utilize the blending mode as you like right here. Like you can merge it out right here, you can go around and lighten it only and so forth, and play around it however you want. So that is how you can go around and then apply out this filter, and if you were to press OK, then that is what you have, as you can see. And that is how you can apply simple linear iterative clustering inside of GIMP. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.